are you all doing? See me, oh. Most of the time, washing clothes is not the problem. Washing clothes is not the cocoa. The main cocoa be the after washing. When you don't pack them, where they keep them? See me now, see my life. You see my life. This is clothes I washed since Saturday. Today is what? Today is Wednesday. Let's count it. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 4 days. It's still here. God. Who do me? Who do me? Oh, even my children, they even tired to pack it. My grown-up children, they are even tired to pack it. Me, when they do the washing, now to pack clothes with the wahala. Oh. Anyways, but I'll try my best, everything possible. So I'll pack this clothes today. So I just want to take people along. Will I say this is how did you do yours? Tell us in the comment section. Is it washing is the problem, packing the problem, or folding them and putting them where you're supposed to put them is the problem? I think in my own case, folding is the problem. Yeah, something that you sit down one place, be doing one after the other. I think that one is a very big deal. Oh yeah. So this is it. This is my life now. This is my life now. Anyways, so let's go to the kitchen. I need to so that I know cook. I went to shop and I came back very late. So I have soup. Remember I made soup yesterday. For now, at this moment, I'm in the kitchen. So I made soup yesterday and I even cooked rice yesterday. So I think we'll not be eating. I will not cook anything, sure. Maybe in the evening I will cook yam, porridge yam and the beans. Okay. So I have soup. So I'm going to be doing our daddy this thing. We're going to be eating swallow. The children, some eat rice, some eat swallow, gari. So I think our daddy will be eating swallow. So he's on the fire now. Let me prepare it for him. So guys, so this is what we do. This one is lolo, it's apple. I have cooked it already. What I'm doing is 1 minute. Because I don't know, the way my children used to listen. Imagine I cooked soup yesterday and yes, hold on. Imagine I cooked soup yesterday and the soup is almost finished. I don't know. Even though cook the soup, full the pot. Last, that soup must finish. Maybe. I don't know what to do. I'm just confused. Anyway, we'll just manage it for today. Tomorrow I'll do another one. It's not easy. Every day cooking. Baby, see, kata. Don't bring hanky. Let me give you kata for you. Cool? Don't bring hanky. So this is the lolo, Some people when they want, I don't eat cold food. Any food that is cold. If you serve me cold food, I will not eat. So in as much as I don't like eating cold food, so I don't serve people cold food. So this is the one that we're actually going to be eating, and it's lolo as you can see. I think in our side compared to other people, this one is 200. I think this one is cheap. There's a video, the lady that make a video that the lolo that she bought. I think that one no is too small. I think this one is too much. Although we don't do it, this in North here, it will be very hard for you to find a place that are cooking this thing. Okay, so I don't like serving people cold food. So this is the reason why I'm going to be. I like 1 minute anytime I want to serve him. So after 1 minute, I will still band it again. To run them together. You understand? So in case some people they use hand to do like this. So if you do that kind of thing, I will not eat. You understand? So this is the reason why I'm doing it like this. What I don't like taking, and I will not give it to another person. So that is me. Even though, no matter who it is, with my husband or anybody, I will not give. You see, understand? Before you give somebody food, you use your hand to massage the swallow, whatever, you massage it. I will not do it. If another person do it and give me, I will not eat. You see, so for me to do the same thing and give another person is very, very irritating. So that is me. After doing this, you can never see my finger on it. Fingerprint on it. You see? But in the case of people, I see them using hand to massage. When they massage, they carry it and put it inside plates. I don't do that. It's very, very good. I cannot eat it. I don't even eat anyhow. I don't know when last I eat swallow. I mean apple. Because I don't eat anyhow. Yes. So me eating apple is anytime that I travel to. Anytime I travel to my mom place, either she cook or I cook. So if any other person cook, I will not eat. So that is me. Ishama, come and fetch for me water. Oh. First. So it's either I cook or my mom cook, then I eat. And I know that we cook it in our kitchen. Any other person cook, I will not eat. You understand? So I'm too selective when it comes to food. Anything putting in the life, I'm too selective. The soup I just made yesterday. I could eat any soup like this. This soup, I just did this soup yesterday. It's finished. It's finished. I don't know what to do. Chisom, come and carry daddy food. So as a duty, as a wife and a mother, it's my duty to serve. So yeah, I'm serving everyone. So I finished pounding the apple. So this is the flowers I'll be taking to him in the shop. I use my spoon to pack it. In the other, a lot of people they will use their hand to pack. No, don't do that. I don't do that. I don't know why. I'm too much. When it comes to anything putting in the mouth, I need to be very, very careful. So it's my duty to serve. My husband, the wife, we leather. Bring closer. Come. Let's pray. You stay now. When you just take, if you say stay, stay. So you leave. You are ready. They give you food. You have testimony. So guys, so this is it for now. I wash out the water. What do you do? do with my baby. This one don't like eating food. I don't know. I don't know what to do with this boy. He don't like eating food. He even pop in the milkshake. I don't know his problem. So guys, we are done for now. Yeah. So I put my husband's food. I've taken it for him. So I put water for doing power for my baby boy. I don't know what is wrong with this, but this wasn't like taking power. If I give him food, he will not eat. I even tried, but I know what he wants. He like eating indomie. His problem is indomie. He wants to eat indomie. But I don't want the indomie to get used to him. He cannot be eating indomie every day. Like yesterday video, I cook indomie for him. When again I cook indomie for him. So I'll not be doing that every time. In the morning he eats indomie, afternoon he eats indomie, night he eats indomie. You see? That is not the proper way to train him. For me, I don't think it's necessary. Yeah. So sometimes he don't eat. Sometimes he will not eat. Understand? But I think at this point, for a few days now, he has been, refusing to eat anything. If I give him, he will not eat. I don't know. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. It's very, very frustrating. Come. You eat what? You eat Gary? You eat Gary? Haba. I should bring for you. You eat. You will not cry, ba? Like say he mean it, Gary. See his mouth, Gary. See the way he speak. He's not even up to 2 years. A year and 10 months. He's completing 10 months by 20 something. By 26th, right? Yeah. A year and 10 months. Not up to 10 months. But see the way he speak, the way he do everything. So quick.